everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing superb. June is almost about to end, July is about to come. For all of you July born people, get excited, it's your birthday. We can't go out after all, but still you need to be excited because it's your birthday. So today what we are going to do is we are going to recreate a really famous blogger's makeup look. Now all of you who have been following me since the beginning know I am a big die-hard fan of Malvika Sitlani. She has been my go-to person. Everything that I know today about makeup is perhaps because of her. I follow her tips, her tricks, her methods, her techniques, and they work really well for me. Moreover, we are kind of the same shade range. Any shade that suits her suits me and my sisters also, so that is also a big advantage and a big reason of why we follow her so much, because then there's no need for us to go searching for shades, right? So today we are going to do that. We're going to recreate one of her really cute or almost no makeup look, which is this one. Now this is a screenshot from one of her stories, so don't mind the face. She's beautiful, yeah, look at her, she's beautiful. So we're going to recreate this look today. I hope I'm able to do it. I'm quite nervous, but let's see. Let's get into the video. So first of all, those of you who do follow Malvika would know that she focuses a lot on skin prep, because that is what brings in beautiful makeup over the skin. So there goes a lot of skin prep. Recently, when not recently actually, but when I had bought the Malvika and Smashbox collection lipstick, with this I had got this Smashbox mini primer set kit sort of a thing, which I had totally forgotten about, and I'm glad I have this, because this is more or less the routine that she follows, which is the primerizer, the pore minimizing primer and the photo finish primer, and this has all three of those. So I'm going to be using this one today. Look at how cute these are! Oh my god! See? This is the primerizer, this is the photo finish primer, and this is the pore minimizing primer. So you get these three in this kit. Now I'm not very sure that whether this is available for retail or not, because I had got this as a free gift with this one. But you'll have to search for it. I really don't know if it's available for retail. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use the primerizer first. This is so cute. These things have my heart. Okay, so after that is done, this actually feels amazing. It feels like a moisturizer, but it actually is a primer. It has actually to some extent filled my pores also, and skin feels super plump, super amazing. After that, after using the primerizer, we're using the photo finish primer. Cutie! We're using the photo finish primer now. Please ignore this big zit on my face. I'm irritated. My skin has not been behaving really well, because I have not been eating well. That is, and I am guilty of that. So that is why my skin has not been behaving well, but I'm gonna get back to the normal. I'm gonna get it back to being beautiful again. Now after that, we are using the pore minimizing primer. OMG! Is this magic or what? Oh my god, I can't even believe this. I know you can't see it through the camera, but it has literally smoothened this portion except of the bumps. Everything is smoothened, it's blurred. I can't see my pores. Oh my god. This thing is a star, man. This thing is a star, I swear. It is blurring the skin like anything. I so hope that you guys could see this through the camera. This is amazing. This is amazing. Beautiful skin prep, I must say. Beautiful. Superb. Anyways, I'm going to prep my skin a little more. I think I need a little more of hydration. So I'm going to be using the primer water. Now I know I should have used this before applying the primer, but I've forgotten. So it doesn't matter. I'm using it now. Now I'm going to use the OG Malvika style concealer first and then the foundation. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. These are also the shades that she uses. We use the same shades. I'm telling you, we use the same shades. Any foundation shade that she uses suits me, and so I buy it without even seeing. And you know, literally when I go to this like the store to buy it, that is actually the shade that they test on me and that matches my skin. So I can trust her with blind eyes. Now after using that, she does use a foundation, but I don't feel like using a foundation today because I have a live session to conduct and that is going to look too cakey. I feel too much. So I'm using the BB creams that I have. I have two BB creams, one's from Garnier and the other one's from Lakme. The shades that I'm using are the Lakme one's in bronze and the Garnier one is in, I don't think it's mentioned anywhere. I don't know the shade for this one, but this one's in bronze. Okay, so the BB creams are also done. I did not conceal my pimples, my acne, redness, nothing, because I've said this earlier also, makeup is not about hiding what you are but enhancing what you have. That is what makeup is. A lot of people confuse it for hiding, and I have heard a lot of people saying कि आप अपना लड़कियाँ अपना imperfections छुपाने के लिए makeup करती हैं, but no, that is not the case. Your makeup should enhance your features and your face rather than concealing them. So I have not concealed anything. I wanted just the way it is. I wanted to look absolutely natural. After this, I'm gonna move to my brows. Now for brows, she uses the Benefit range of brows that they have. The gel, the pomade and blah blah blah, but I don't have it. I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil in the shade medium brown. she does not carve her brows out, so neither am I going to carve out mine, so that step just gets skipped. After doing the brows, the next step becomes setting the face, and she earlier used to use the Laura Mercier powder, but nowadays she's using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, so that is what I'm going to use, and the shade that I'm going to use is 25 medium. Okay, after that comes the turn for the eyes, but as far as I can see in this look, she hasn't done much to the eyes. She's only carved the eyes a little bit, contoured the eyes a little bit, and has put some mascara. So there's not much to do with the eyes. We're going to just contour the eyes, the natural eye line, and we're going to put some mascara. For that purpose, I'm using the Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Double Chocolate Chip. I'm using this shade right here, the medium toned brown, because that does match my contour shade. So that is what I'm going to use. That is it. That is as less as she has done, and we are going to keep it as low key. So we're not going to exaggerate it, we're going to leave it over here. After this, after doing the little bit of eyeshadow thing, we are going to move to the lashes. Now I did use a mascara yesterday, which is still on because it was a waterproof mascara, and it is going to take a day or two to get off completely. So I don't feel like putting mascara again. I'm sorry, I am breaking a bit of the rules, but I am going to move to applying the false lashes because my mascara is waterproof and it takes really long to get off. The lashes that I'm using today are from Nykaa. They are Just Enough Drama. The name of these lashes are Just Enough Drama. If you don't remember the name, just remember it's the yellow color. They have colors. I'm using the yellow one today. So after a lot of struggle and almost 10,000 years of my lifetime, I have finally put my lashes on. I've done them after so long. I don't even remember last when I had put them on. It was perhaps for some wedding function, I remember. But I don't mind how they look. I don't mind if one's nearer to the inner corner and one's far. I have done it, and I've done it the way they are. Don't judge me now. Okay, after that, after doing all of this, I am gonna bronze my face. Now she uses sometimes the L'Oreal bronzer, sometimes the Hoola bronzer, the Guerlain bronzer, and yeah. So that is basically what she uses, but I have neither of them right now with me. So I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. After that comes the turn for the blush. Now for blush, she keeps on changing. She uses the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in Sweet Scarlet, and a lot of them. But as far as I can see in this picture, it is a peach toned blush, peach and pink toned blush. Both of them are sort of mixed. So that is what I'm going to do again, because I'm following the look and I'm recreating that look. So I'm using the Nykaa Cheek Illusion Blush Duo. Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. It has a pinky blush and sort of a peach blush. So I'm going to take more of the peach shade and less of the pink shade to create the peach look. she loves a lot of blush. People who follow her would know she loves a lot of blush, and so do I. So I've loaded loads and loads of blush. I think it just makes you look younger. Is that a thing? I don't know, but I just feel that it makes you look far more younger and just brings back life to your face, so I love it. Now comes the time for the lips, and since we are recreating that look, so we are using her collab lipsticks. So this is Smashbox Always On Liquid lipstick in the shade Driver Seat, and this one is in the shade Stepping Out. So by the look of it, by seeing the picture, I think she has used a peachy toned lipstick. So I am going to use only the Driver Seat. Now we are going to set the face using again the Smashbox Primer Water, because it can be used for that purpose also. So I am using the Smashbox Primer Water to set my face. So that is that for this look, and her skin is actually glistening from within. She hasn't put any highlighter as such, so neither am I going to put anything. That is where we are going to end this look. Do tell me how you liked it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to just stay updated with all the fun that we have here. And thank you so much for watching.